Recently, I got into learning Arduino and creating a bunch of cool projects. For example, my first project was building a reaction time game where the user has to press buttons for randomly timed LED blinks. Then I created a simple radar system using the ultrasonic sensor, and I felt like it was less challenging to me. So I decided to control the speed and direction of a motor, but instead of using a module straight away, I used the L293D IC directly and built a motor speed and direction controller. It was exciting, and I tested a bunch of other sensors like the PIR sensor and LED displays, like joystick modules and controlling servos. I wanted to build something that I wanted for a long time. I wanted to build a flight computer. Actually, what I built was an altimeter. After all, it just grabs the temperature and pressure and calculates the altitude using the BMP280 sensor and stores it into an SD card. I also added an RTC clock module to log the time as well. But then I remembered that I forgot to think about the cable management. I had to remove all the connections and mounted all the components and added the wires. It looked glorious. And it was a test of patience for me, since after removing everything and resoldering and replanning, it took me about 2 hours. And it worked. But later I realized that it would be almost impossible to pull it off the ground with a model rocket, that too with a C-class motor. After finding out some standard parts from a site called Rocketeers, after tons of search, I used their specs to design a model, an open rocket, and I was able to get up to an estimated apogee of about 71.4 meters with a C-class motor, but two with 3-second delay charges. The one that is offered by Rocketeers does not have a delay charge, and sites like STs and Apogee Motors also do not ship to India. So I am planning to improvise on a model with better aerodynamics and more lesser and compact electronics. I learned that engineering is not about building something in one shot. It is about endless reiterations and improvements until you get it right. Let me know how to improve the designs in the comments, and also if you know any way to get those higher class motors, let me know in my DM. Thanks for watching.